Hi guys, here I got the unboxing for this product, this amazing product. This is a Mira car. This is a car Wi-Fi standard MiraBox. We can use that on the car for playing videos, games, and to do a mirror about your phone and your car system, like your screen of DVD. Here you go. So let's do that. If you see, new. Here I got the box. And that's the mirror box. It is plug and play. Here is going the antenna. That's a reset button. Phone mode. And the power. Let me see. Here we got here is the antenna. And here we got the cable, the power cable, and video and audio cable. It is plug and play. You just take this, put it here. You take this cable on this side. Remember, black is ground, red is accessory. After you connect that one, you're gonna take this one and you're gonna put on your radio inputs. And that's red and white is for audio, and the yellow one is for video. So you can see it is new. Here you got your manual, quick start gear, car Wi-Fi MiraBox. It is a mirror box for iPhone and Android. It supports iOS 9, 8, and 7, and Android 4.2, I think. Here you got the connection. You take the box, the cable, you put on the cable from your radio. It's easy and simple. When I install this on my car, I'm gonna do a video and I'm gonna upload. I let you know how it works, how to connect the phone, how to do the connection on the car, everything. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy it.